Hello guys, ever wanted to create your own lo-fi hip-hop beats but didn't know where to start? What if I told you there's an AI tool that can help you make professional quality lo-fi music in minutes? Today, I'm going to show you how to create lo-fi hip-hop tracks by an amazing AI music generator, Mubert. If you're interested in the topic, don't forget to subscribe and share our channel. Let's dive in. First, what is Mubert? Mubert is an AI-powered music platform that generates royalty-free tracks for any mood or genre, including Lofi hip-hop. Whether you're a content creator, gamer, or just someone who loves chill beats, Mubert makes it super easy to create custom music in seconds. Plus, it's perfect for background music for videos, podcasts, or even audiobooks. Now let's learn how to make Lofi hip-hop track with Mubert in 3 steps. Step 1. Go to Mubert's website and sign up for an account to start music generation. Step 2. Type the description for the track that you want to generate, like chill Lofi hip-hop. Then set type and duration. You can also select genres or moods to create. Step 3. Click Generate Track, and Mubert will quickly create a unique Lofi hip-hop track for you.
Mubert.
Next, download it and use it however you like, whether for your YouTube videos and podcasts. You can also subscribe to the plan to download the track without watermarks. So why should you use Mubert to make lo-fi hip-hop? Here are 4 excellent advantages. 1. Easy to use. You don't need any music production experience. Just select your genre and mood, and Mubert does the rest. 2. Royalty-free music. All tracks generated by Mubert are royalty-free, so you can use them in your projects without worrying about copyright issues. 3. High-quality audio. Mubert uses advanced AI to deliver professional quality music that sounds like it was made by a human producer. 4. For free. Mubert is free to anyone to generate any music tracks. And that's it. With Mubert, you can create your own lo-fi hip-hop tracks in seconds. So don't hesitate to try now. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.